Welcome to our Crocodile-Leather facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how crocodile leather is made, from farm to luxury products. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tours like this.
Each hide arrives with its own story written in scales. We lay them flat, no folds, no stress. Every edge is trimmed by hand, every ridge checked, because even the
That's how crocodile leather is made, from the farm all the way to premium luxury items. Alright, set. Seal going on?
Copy that.
Manifest stamped, you're good to roll.
Thanks.
From precise robotic assembly to racks of humming servers and glowing neural networks, every processor here is born inside a choreographed ballet of automation. Want to see more of how artificial intelligence is